Good morning, class. Welcome back, you all, in computer class. Now, class, today I am going to explain you chapter 6, Introduction to Flash. Now, class, in previous class I have taught you about workspace. In that, menu bar, stage, tool panel, property panel and timeline. About this topic I have explained in previous class. Now today I am going to explain you how to create a new file. After creating new file, after working, how to save your file, and then how to exit your file, how to open an existing file. About this topic I am going to explain. Now see you all, about to creating a new Flash document. First topic, creating a new Flash document. Now to open a new Flash document, it's very simple step you have to follow. First step, to click on file menu. Then click on new to open a new document dialog box. Then now your new dialog box appear like that. Here are some points are already given. In third step, you have to select the action script 3.0. When you select here action script 3.0, then now click on OK button. Then your Flash document created. Whenever you click on OK button, then your new file, like your file created like that, means your Flash workspace open. They are given menu bar like this, stage, this white area, rectangular area of a workspace is called stage, with tool panel like that, library panel, property panel and timeline. Such type your stage or your Flash workspace open. So this is a simple way to opening a file, opening a new file. Again I am repeating in short. To open a new file, you have to click on file menu, then select new option, then open new dialog box appear. From there you have to select action script 3.0 and click on OK button. Then now like that workspace open. Here by using tools you can by using these tools you can create any diagram, draw any line, draw any circle or whatever you want, do your work. After that you need to save your file. For saving a file, same step you have to follow. For saving a file, same step you have to follow, that you follow to save any other file in any other application. Simple, what we do for saving a file, simple way. First step to save a file, click on file menu. Then you have to file, when file menu open, then you have to click on save option. When you click on save option, then save dialog box appear like that. Save dialog box appear. Here you have to type the name of file, and from here you can select the location of file where you want to save. Like here file are going to save on document. By clicking here you can change your place where you want to save. If you want to save your file on desktop, now simply click on desktop here. After that click on save option. Type file name and click on save option. When you click on the save button, then now your file will be saved in your location. So this is a way of saving a file, very simple way to save a file. Next step to next topic to opening a flash file. Means that existing file, the file that you have already created, that file if you want to open, then how to open? The very simple way, as you open as you have opened any other file, any other application, in the same process you can open your own file also. Click on file menu and open also. Then now your open dialog box appear. In file name box, type the name of file or search your file, select your file and click on open option. Then your existing file will be open. To open a open dialog box, you can also use shortcut key Ctrl+O. A simple way to open, as you open in other applications, same way here you can also open. Next and last topic is your exiting flash. After finishing work in flash, we all need to close the application. Simply to close, there are many options. To close. Many way to close any application. First simple way, click on file menu and select exit option. Then your app will be exit. Other way, you can also use shortcut key. Ctrl+Q. Ctrl+Q also shortcut key to close a window. Alt+F4. Alt+F4 is a shortcut key to close any application. this shortcut key also work here. Okay, so these are all the option. And now last option, click on the close button on top right corner, like here, top right corner, close button, close, minimize, maximize given. In that, click on the close button, then your file will be closed. This very simple way. This is a way by which you can close your file. Now class, today time over. Time over means topic over. Now thank you all for today class. Thank you all.